Hi, this is Arjun from Super Simple Software. I'm the technical expert on Super Simple ERP. Today, we're going to see how our solution on human resource management will create a positive impact on your business. Super Simple ERP's HR management makes it rather easy to maintain all types of HR activities such as recruitment, leave management, salary management, etc. Let us explore the HR module. So all the employees of our company are listed here in employees. We can create a new employee from here. Let's create a new employee. Here we put a name for the employee. Let's say it's Julie Gallagher. Then we mention various details of the employee as follows, like tags, if she is an intern or a manager, or what kind of profession, or some kind of categorization for her. Then we enter work email and work phone, and we're done with that. Next, we fill in the public information in the public tab, all the necessary fields to recognize the employee. We mention the working address of the employee. It is your company because that's the name of our company by default in the software. We put in a work mobile number and office location. Let's put that to Nasik. And we mention some positional terms like what department she works in, computer software, and job title. And you must have observed, as soon as we put in a computer software department, the manager automatically got updated because that's the way it is. We have previously defined the manager for that department, so it's automatic. Then we click is a manager or not, depending upon whether she's a manager or not. She's not in this case. And here we can put some notes about Julie. Julie is from Georgia Tech. Recruited as an intern at Super Simple Software. Let us now fill in some additional information about Julie. So, we observe here that since we put in a related user as Bob, her email address got superimposed with Bob's address. Next, we jump to personal information. Let's pick a nationality for Julie. We put in an identification number, which is the company ID number given to Julie. Then we fill in a passport number. And let's leave bank account number for later. We mention the gender. Let's say Julie is married and she has one child. We fill in her date of birth and place of birth. Albania. And next we move into the HR settings. In the HR settings, we can mention the number of legal leaves remaining for this employee. If the employee has a medical exam or had it already, we can mention the date here. So let's pick a date quickly. Let's put in a home to work distance, 3 kilometers, and we hit save. We can print a leave summary for this employee from the print button on top. Let us now look at contracts. We can create a contract explicitly from the outer menu, or we can simply create a contract from within this employee menu. Let's create a new contract here. In contract reference, we can enter the name of the person. Julie's contract started on April 26th. We then mention the wage of that person per month or per week as we choose. Let's say her wage is 15,000 per month. And we select the salary structure. We're going to discuss salary structure in a bit now. Until then, let's just fill in these fields. Let's create a schedule for Julie. We put in her name, Julie's schedule. We select the work group manager, let's say it's administrator. We put in a name, day of the week, work from. Let's say she works from 8 in the morning to 5 in the evening. So that's just an example. That should give you an idea of how schedules are created for employees. In Work Permit tab, we mention her visa information. And in contract type, let's try creating a new contract type for Julie that says intern. Contract type intern. And we hit save. A salary structure is a list of all the types of expenses the company is willing to bear for this employee. We'll see that in a moment in salary rules. We can create various salary rules, that means payment types, from payroll menu, and then go to salary rules. These are some of the salary rules we have right now on the system. We then go to an employee and click on payslips. So we go to this employee Armin Bond and we click on payslips. Here in this menu, in salary computation tab, we can select one of several salary rules and we add in each of the expenses in it one by one. Normally, these get filled in automatically because the payslip feature creates payslips monthly or weekly automatically, and then these get assigned to your employee. These are some of the other tabs. Accounting information, details by salary rule category. Let's now look at leaves. To take a leave, an employee simply goes into the leave request menu. A calendar appears. We select the day on which we want to take the leave. Let's say it's a sick leave for Julie. And we put in a description like got flu. And we select an employee, that is Julie. And the department gets filled in automatically. Now, since I'm the admin here, I can also look at leaves to approve. So that leave will appear in this menu. So I go to that leave and click approve. That's how leaves are approved. We are also creating features for HR management right now, which include recruitment process. It allows the user to launch a recruitment drive and hire new employees. Timesheets. Manage timesheets for employees and view them for the purpose of appraisals. Promotions. Manage promotions of employees. Attendance. Daily attendance feature which automatically calculates the number of days worked which helps in automatically calculating the salary. So that's about it about HR management. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any doubts, drop us a mail at supersimplesoft.com. See you next time, and thanks for watching.